everybody! Roger's away at a basketball tournament today, so I thought this would be a good time to go through my inbox and answer some of the questions sent in by our viewers. Let's see. Oh, here's an interesting one. Alex from South Springfield writes, Dear Nicole and Roger, I saw the Talking About Decisions episode last week, and I have a question. If I can't judge my decisions by the outcomes with hindsight, how can I judge the quality of a decision? Well, Alex, as you implied, we have to be able to judge the quality of a decision at the time we make it, or it's too late. So what makes a good decision? I'm making a good decision if I've fully satisfied myself of each of the following 6 things. I am clear on the problem that I'm solving. I have identified what I truly want. I have generated a good set of alternatives. I have gathered the relevant information needed. I have evaluated the alternatives in light of the information to find the one that gets me the most of what I truly want. And I'm committed to follow through on my choice. That's why we draw them as a chain with 6 links, each with its own name. We can use this image to serve as a reminder. A helpful frame gets us thinking about our decision and guides our approach. A helpful frame makes clear things like what will and will not be decided, when the decision should be made, and who should be involved. If you don't understand your situation, you could develop solutions to the wrong problem, and that won't really help. Clear values are a statement of what we want and don't want to happen as a result of our decision. If we're clear on our values, it will be easier to determine our preference for one outcome over another. This clarity will help us make trade-offs, because often we can't get everything we want. A good decision needs creative alternatives. These are the possible courses of action from which we can choose. A good set includes significantly different choices that we can act upon. We'll want to gather useful information. Focusing on the things we know or ought to know that influence our decision will help us design alternatives. This includes relevant, trustworthy facts about the past and unbiased judgments about the present or future. Using probabilities to express uncertainty about our alternatives will help determine which are more or less attractive. The next link is sound reasoning. These reasoning tools help us combine values, alternatives, and information to arrive at a decision. When we have reasoned clearly about a decision, we can complete the statement, I'm choosing this alternative because... The final link is commitment to follow through. If we are deliberate in creating strong links in the first 5 above, the best action for us becomes clear. The confidence this creates will let us flip an internal switch, going from intention to action. At that point, we have no reservations. Successful follow-through requires committing things like time, effort, or money, and planning ahead so we're prepared to overcome obstacles. If everything else is good, but I'm solving the wrong problem, that's a decision failure. Or if everything else is good, but I don't know what I really want, I won't have made the most of my decision opportunity. This is the case for every one of the 6 elements. When thinking about a decision, we consider the quality of the links. We ask ourselves, have I done my best on each link in the chain? If we're not satisfied with the quality of any, then we have more work to do. We are making the best decision we can when each link is so strong that improving it further isn't worth more effort or delay. That's how we can judge the quality of a decision at the time that we make it. That's using foresight, not hindsight. Thanks for asking, Alex. See you next time.